to be life is no time to be practical.
Hi. Alright, so it's me, Jessica King, me and Hawaii Fine Vibes here. We're doing some reading. Right now we're reading Different Waves, Different Depths by Roy Christopher. It's 9 short stories. Has a little, feels a little like noise, maybe a little punk, a little bit of romance, all thrown into one bag. Maybe a little bit of existentialism. I've been enjoying it so far. I'm not done yet. But if you're interested, the link is down below for the book. And if you're interested in one of my dolls, the link is also down below in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Patreon. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye!
Please consider supporting our channel by joining us at Patreon.